Welcome, investors and blockchain enthusiasts, to a comprehensive deep dive into one of the most intriguing new entries on the Ethereum network. Today, we are not just looking at a token, we are examining a digital construct designed for permanence and speculative collaboration. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the official analysis of GADUCoin. GADUCoin is a secure Ethereum token, inspired by age-old traditions of brotherhood, yet engineered with a strictly speculative purpose for the modern digital age. Launched on February 3rd, 2026, it operates on the Ethereum mainnet under the ERC20 standard, positioning itself as a global asset for those who value transparency and community-driven value creation. Let's break down the architecture of this project. To understand its true purpose, GADUCoin is not merely a store of value, it is an active ecosystem with hyper-deflationary mechanics designed to reward long-term holders. Every transaction carries a strategic tax designed to sustain the protocol. Specifically, there is a 5% auto burn on every trade. This means that with every buy or sell, the total supply creates scarcity, making the remaining tokens in your wallet inherently more rare over time. Additionally, there is a 5% liquidity fee that is automatically injected back into the Uniswap pool. This creates a permanently rising price floor, ensuring that the project's liquidity grows in tandem with its volume. To participate in this ecosystem, investors are advised to set their Uniswap slippage tolerance to 12% to accommodate these mechanics. Now, let's move to the hard data. We are currently viewing the live analytics on DEXTools, the industry standard for auditing and charting decentralized assets. The metrics we see here tell a story of extreme early opportunity. GADUCoin currently sits at a market cap of approximately $1.77 thousand, with a liquidity pool of $1.82 thousand. This ratio is incredibly healthy for a microcap asset, suggesting stability. Furthermore, out of the initial total supply, the circulating supply is currently verified at roughly 854 billion tokens. We can also see that there are currently only 18 holders. For an astute investor, these numbers signify ground floor entry. You are looking at this project before the masses, before the hype, and while the entry price is still accessible. However, in the world of decentralized finance, potential means nothing without security. This is where GADUCoin separates itself from the noise. The project has been successfully audited, but most importantly, the contract ownership has been renounced. This is a critical safety feature. It means the code is immutable. No developer can change the taxes, pause trading, or blacklist your wallet. Furthermore, the liquidity has been 100% burned, not just locked. This makes the project unruggable, ensuring that the liquidity pool is open in perpetuity and can never be removed by the creators. This level of transparency is rare in emerging tokens. Let's translate these fundamentals into price action. Looking at the 1-hour chart, the market response has been emphatic. After a brief consolidation phase where the support was tested, we witnessed a massive breakout, printing a vertical green candle that drove the price up by over 232% in a single session, currently trading around the 0.082 level. This price discovery phase is characterized by strong volume and buying pressure. The chart shows a classic step-up formation, where new support levels are being established aggressively. The absence of red selling pressure indicates that current holders are committed to the long-term vision. This brings us to the future of GADUCoin. What you are seeing is just the genesis block of our journey. This project is a living experiment that relies on the hive mind of its investors. We are going to be updating the status of the project regularly, but for this structure to solidify and the chart to continue its upward trajectory, we need the strength of new investors. It is the community that builds the temple. If you are ready to be part of this construction, you can find the official URL and the contract address in the description below. Do your own research and join us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next update.